Hi, I am Deborah R. Richardson of Deborah R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's vendor master file tip of the week is while cleaning your vendor master file, there are two tax reporting updates for A2A filers, and that's when you are using the IRIS portal as a replacement for the fire system. And yes, it is retiring. And the A to A filers are application to application where you will transmit a file from your system to Iris. And there are some changes. Two changes. The first one is you have to remove these four special characters, the ampersand, the apostrophe, the less than, and then also the quotation. So where can those be? In the vendor's legal name or in the vendor's address. As a matter of fact, only the hyphen is allowed in the vendor's legal name. Speaking of the vendor's legal name, that brings us to the second change. Whereas the fire system could combine separate vendor fields or vendor legal name fields, the A to A XML file format cannot. So if you have one name field, such as John A. Smith Lee, that converts to three different fields in the XML file. Make sure you work with your IT team, or if you're using a third-party provider, work with them so that you provide them the data in such a way that they can produce the XML file as needed for tax reporting. Speaking of cleaning your vendor master file, check out the podcast that's coming up next, or you can listen wherever you listen to podcasts, where I talk about 11 signs that it's time to clean your vendor master file. So if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process and get over, I think now it's 173 annual hours of training, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.